Hello folks, this is Virgil here, and today I'm going to introduce you to a software called Forex Tester. In my opinion, it's really a must-have. Basically, if you have a particular strategy that you're working on, for instance, moving average crossover or whatnot, you can basically replay it. Now, there's other software out there that provides a replay mode. But a lot of, for instance, Trade Navigator, there's a few others. But, those particular software, it takes forever to load the data. And second of all, you pay a monthly fee, and it ranges from like $70 to even goes up to $200 per month. With this software here, Forex Tester, is actually $150. One-time fee, that's it. You get all the free updates and everything. However, if you click on the link below, instead of $150, you will get it for $99. And this is a must-have. Let me see here. Let me show you what basically this can do. I'm going to go ahead and start off with the pound yen here, and we'll do some simple strategies here, just to get you an idea how this works. So I'm going to go ahead and start test, and let's replay this back up to let's go. I don't know. Let's start off at the beginning of 2007. Okay, well the end of 2006, so pretty much 2007. And what I'll do is I'll start the testing, and what this is going to do is going to load the data, and it's going to start off at that particular date, December 31st of 2006. And then what will happen from there is, we can go ahead and play the market, and it'll be moving as if it was in real time, or we can click the space bar and move bar for bar. So now also the pound yen here, the default on here is 7 pip spread. I'm going to leave it at that. The average spread on the pound yen, it can range from 3 pips to 9 pips depending on the time and the broker that you use. So I'm going to be conservative. I'm just going to keep it at 7 pips. And the GMT too, the default GMT is GMT. It's GMT. So but you can change the GMT offset on here. You can put if you want to set it at the Eastern time, or if you want to set it to your particular broker to their GMT offset, you can do that as well. For instance, FXDD, I think their GMT offset right now is +2. So in any event, let me the 30 seconds to load. Okay, so we have it loaded here. I'm going to start off with $10,000, and I have it set on mini lots. And you can see the date here is 12/29/2010. So what I can do here now, is I can start, and you can see I have two moving averages on here. I have the 9/21 EMA. You can put pretty much any indicator you want on here. You can see, you can put the MACD. We got the CCI. We got the stochastics, RSI, zigzag, Williams percentage. You even have the pivots here too. And what's cool is it actually comes. You can put on the daily, weekly, monthly, or even the yearly. Let's put the weekly pivots on here. I'm going to click on apply, and let's just try a strategy here. Let's work on the daily time frame on this one here. So I'm going to go daily time frame, and on here I'm going to put daily as well. So each bar will be one full day basically. So I'm going to push the space bar there, and you can see it's one day, there's another day, it's another day, another day. Or what you can do, if you just wanted to watch it, you can just click on the play, and you can watch it move along. So I'm going to go ahead and push pause here. And let's put some trades in here. So right now I think we're starting off, this is okay, so this is January 12th of 2007 is the pound yen. So let's play some orders in here. And of course this is replay mode. Let's put a buy stop up here. So I'm going to right click on buy stop, and then let's just pre-configure the stop loss and the take profit. So let's just put 100 pips stop loss. Just click on there. 100 pips for the take profit as well. Click on place. Now I'm going to click the space bar, see if we get filled. Nope. Next day, okay, now we're filled, and you can see the position is open, and we're at 51 pips. I'm going to click the spacebar again. Okay, very nice. It actually filled. Looks like that was for a profit too. 100 pip profit. Let's do another one. Let me go advance another day. Another day. Wow, okay. There's another nice setup here. If we can break this high, chances are we very well may go higher again. And this whole candlestick here is about almost 230 pips. So we're going to place a buy stop here again, right at the top. And hopefully once it hits that, price moves up to that area, other market participants are going to go long as well. And we're going to do a 100 pip stop loss and a 100 pip take profit again, place. Now I'm going to push the space bar. Not yet. There we go. Okay, now we're in the trade. Let's see here. Open positions. Okay, we're up 38 pips. Space bar. Nice. Okay. We just closed for another 100 pip profit. Let me change this around again. Let me find another opportunity. Okay, very nice. Long down bar. Okay, now what we're going to do is place a sell stop here. Now instead of pre-configuring the stop loss and take profit, let's do this. Let's just place the stop loss on the top of this bar here, and hopefully we get a nice runner here. And instead of trying to figure out the price, instead of manually typing 241.77, what we can do is just click on this little button here, stop loss, and we can just place it right here. And I'm going to leave the I'm not going to put take profit in right now. I'm just going to place it just for the stop loss, and we'll see if we get filled here. So I'm going to click on the space bar. Okay, we're filled. Looks like we're in the red. Okay, we're down 167 pips. I'm going to click it again. Again. What's that? 5 days, 6 days. Okay, we're in profit. I need some more to move that stop loss. Okay, there we go. 162 pips. Now what we can do is modify the stop loss. You just double click anywhere here along the yellow line. And let's click on that button again with the stop loss. And let's move this stop loss to break even. And why not? Let's put a take profit on here as well. Let's put the take profit right about down here. I'm going to modify order. And now I'm going to proceed to the next day. Oops, wait a minute. Okay, yeah, that's right. Okay. So we're still in a trade. We're up 162 pips. I'm going to click on the next day. What do you know? We got stopped out for 7 pips. Now, let me change this around again. Okay, here, this might be a setup here. Okay, let's do it this way. Let's right click. I'm going to put a buy stop here, and I'm going to put a stop loss below the second bar here, and I'm going to put a take profit about the same distance up. So we're going to do a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio, and we'll see if this buy stop gets filled. Let's go to the next day right now. Okay, we got filled, and we are in the red, down 87 pips. Let me go to the next day. Next day. Looks like we're going to get stopped out here. Not yet. There we go. Stopped out here. Oh, this is probably a nice shorts out here if we get down here. Let me see. I guess not. Anyways, okay, so this is a daily time frame. Let's change this around. If you have a scalping strategy, let's do. You know what? Here, let's do this as well. Watch this. Let me just put another buy stop here, and we'll do the 100 for 100 again. And now I'm gonna. Hopefully we get filled. I'm gonna go to the next day. Okay, we're filled. We're down 50 pips. Looks like we're about to get stopped out. Okay, we got stopped out. We took a 100 pip loss on that, as you can see here. Now, what's really cool is you can go back in time. Okay, so let's say we're reevaluating our strategy and we want to make some adjustments. You can click the backspace button, and we can start back over again. And you can, of course, adjust the stop loss or put more indicators on here or whatnot. So I'm just going to close this out here, and we're going to go with a different time frame. Let's say you have a scalping strategy. Okay. Let's go with the 5 minute. And of course, if you use any strategy, I mean, you want at least 200 trades in there, to really have confidence on a particular strategy. A lot of successful money managers and whatnot. It's not like there are times, believe me, I'm a former commodity broker, forex broker. I've seen very successful money managers. Well, they will take losses 8-9 times in a row, and at a 12-month run, they may have 1 or 2 months that are in the red. So you really need at least like 200 trades. I mean you have to have enough data on there to really gauge how this particular strategy is going to work in real time. So let's go with the 5 minute time frame, and we're going to change it to 5 minutes as well. So every bar or every candle is going to be 5 minutes as well. So I have it on 5 minutes now, and let me see here. Okay. So we're on a 5 minute time frame here. Let's do this. Let's put a sell stop in here, and let's put the definitely on a downtrend here. Put the stop loss. We'll put it above the second bar here. We'll see if we can get a nice runner. I'll let this one run for now. No take profit. Okay, that looks like it's too close. Too close to the market. We'll put it sell stop down here. Okay, great. Okay, we got filled. We're down 14 pips. I'm going to go an additional 5 minutes. What do you know? We're stopped out. And of course, the reason why you see it all the way up here, you didn't see the candle quite go up there, is because the price on here is the bid, because we went short and we covered, we bought up here. The ask is a 7 pip spread. So, but I'm sure most of you know that, at least some of you. So let me see here. What else do we have here? Okay, so anyways, oh, you know what? And of course, if you go to count history, you can see pretty much history on here. And if you double click on these, you can see exactly where the orders are located. Also, you can see on here, on this market info, we can see the total amount of trades. We had 3 profitable trades. We had 3 trades that were losses. So that's a 50-50. Yeah, there we go. Profitability is 50% and loss 50%. Let's see here. You have your drawdown, profit factor, your average profit, gross profit, net profit, and whatnot. Now, also, if you have an expert advisor that you want to run on real time, you can do that as well. The only thing is you have to use Forex Tester's API in order to run that. And instead of going for bar by bar, if you just wanted to play it, you can just click on the play button here and just like let it run. So this is on a 5 minute time frame. So each of these bars is 5 minutes, and you can speed it up here, slow it down. I'll put this on pause for now. But that's pretty much it. Again, it's typically $150, but if you click on that link, you'll get it for $99. It's a one-time fee. It's well worth it. And from here, you can go to Forex Factory. You can find a lot of traders' other strategies, and you can try it on here and tweak it yourself too. And believe it or not, a lot of those strategies, I know a lot of money managers that use a lot of those strategies that are actually on there. Of course, it's a couple different parameters and whatnot, but you can always find a system and then tweak it yourself through like replay mode. Well, I guess that'll be it, guys. Thanks. Take care.